Air pollution. Air pollution is defined as the presence of toxic chemicals or compounds in the air that pose a health risk. These chemicals are usually not present in the air and will lower the air quality that might cause changes to the quality of life. In Malaysia, air pollution occurs almost every year and causes severe effects to the people. There are two causes of air pollution, which are the natural causes such as volcanic activities and wildfires, and anthropogenic causes such as from mining activity, transportation activity, and construction. Air pollutants typically present in gases and solid forms as in particulate matter suspended in air. Types of air pollutants are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, and ammonia. Air pollution can cause harmful effects to the human's health. It can cause illnesses such as asthma, chronic lung disease, skin problems, irritation, and even cancer. Therefore, it is important to maintain the air quality around us. One of the ways to do it is by doing carpool, avoiding open burning, and using filters on factories' chimneys. As we breathe the air every day, it has become our responsibility to preserve the air for our own good.
So next, I am going to explain to you about water pollution, which is presented by me, YUSRA. There is two sources of pollution, which is agriculture pollutions and sewage, which is wastewater. Example of agriculture pollution is eutrophication. We can see it a lot in the lakes, sea or river. What the cause of eutrophication? It is because of agriculture practice and the use of fertilizer in the soil contribute to the accumulations of nutrients. When these nutrients reach high concentration level and the ground is no longer able to assimilate them, they are carried by rain into river and groundwater that flow into lakes or sea. What are the examples for sewage or wastewater? Sewage or domestic or municipal wastewater is a type of wastewater that is produced by a community of people. It is characterized by volume or rate of flow, physical condition, chemical and toxic constituent, and its bacteriologic status. So next, how we as humans want to save from the water pollution. First, we can plant in vegetarian along stream bed to slow erosion and absorb nutrient. Second, by preventing excess nutrient from reaching water bodies. Third, dispose of household chemicals and automotive fluids properly. And lastly, don't put fats, oil or grease down the drain.
Soil pollution refers to anything that causes contamination of soil and degrades the soil quality and can give effects including on human health, soil fertility, growth of plants, and changes of soil structure. There are two types of soil pollution. First, specific pollution, which is easily identified because it accounted by particular causes and occur in small areas. And for widespread pollution, it covers extensive areas and has several causes which makes them difficult to be identified.
Now, I'm going to talk about the thermal pollution. In this topic, I will be covered about the definition, the source, the treatment, and the causes of thermal pollution. Thermal pollution can be defined as an unexpected increase in temperature of natural water sources that caused by human activities.
The source of thermal pollution are nuclear power plants, domestic sewage, thermal power plant, and industrial effluents.
Microbiologists identify and classify microorganisms found in specimens collected from humans, plants, and animals. They also isolate and maintain cultures of bacteria. They also monitor the effect of microorganisms on plants and animals. Lastly, they study the properties of fungi such as yeast and mold.
So, what is the preservation and conservation process and your roles to save planet? Which is first, to preserve the environment, to strengthen the communities, to make water available for recreational purpose, and to prepare for future droughts. And lastly, what things you can do to help to save our planet? Which is we can reduce, reuse, recycle, and cut down what we have thrown away. Second, plant a tree, and next is you can volunteer in your community to clean up your place.
What is bioremediation? Bioremediation refers to the use of living organisms to remove contaminants, pollutants, or unwanted substances from soil or water.